Now we have a same time chi roll. This is a chi roll where both arms are doing the same thing at the same time. The prerequisites for this are the same time chi rolls with the palms down and the other direction, of course. First step without the Dragonstaff is we'll be doing these same circles with our hands, with our elbows out to the side, except we'll be doing them both hands at once and arms going the same direction. Another thing we can practice is going the other direction, because we need to do everything both ways. Super important all the time. Once you've got that, grab the Dragonstaff, hold your arms out away from your body. We'll start the rolling away one, or forwards first. We'll just drop your arms a little bit and get the staff rolling towards your hands. As the staff gets to your hands, raise your arms up a little bit to stop it from rolling, and bend at the elbows, lift the staff up towards your face, pivoting underneath your hands and letting the staff roll down towards your elbows. As they get to the elbows, drop your hands underneath, through the middle, and pick them up again at your hands. What you can also do is stick your elbows towards the ground. As the staff comes over to your hands, you can drop your hands down through this inside section, leaving the staff on your upper arms, rolling towards your hands, pivot on the back of your hands, pass the staff and drop it onto your shoulders. This is a nice way to get used to the technique. A little bit trickier though is having the staff pivot on your hands and then rolling down your forearms, dropping your hands through the middle and catching on the other side. This is more of a true chi roll technique, as it's staying on your hands, pivoting on your hands, staying on your forearms, pivoting on the elbows. To get the other way going, you raise the arms up. That starts the staff rolling towards you. Bring your arms down as the staff gets to your elbows, Bring your arms down on the inside, stick your elbows out to the front and pick the staff up from in the middle here. Raise your elbows up high, the staff will roll to your hands, pivot underneath and extend that away. Elbows out to the side, bend, lift up, out. Elbows to the side, bend your arms, lift up and out. Bend, lift up and away. Here's a demonstration from the top for those of you who like to look down on things. Palms down as it gets to your hands, pivot towards you, rest on the shoulders, out. Once you get comfortable, try rolling down your forearms, pivoting at the elbows. And the other direction. Remember to get those elbows out, lift them up high, so you've got space to bring those forearms through and pick it up underneath your chin. Some nice variations for this one is the full arm chi roll, where you can lean backwards and go all the way down, your hands all the way to your shoulders, pivot of the shoulders down to the hands. Another one is you can extend it really far forwards by pivoting your elbows down to the ground and out to the side as you do the same time chi roll. So elbows pointing to the ground, pivot as the staff goes down your hands, switch your elbows to the side, elbows out to the side, arms come down the middle, elbows pointing to the ground, over the top, elbows pointing to the side, arms down, elbows pointing to the ground. And you can really keep your hands nice and close together and extend that. Otherwise, you can also draw these little circles in front of you like this and really tighten that up and make it a very small, tight move.